Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to use WhatsApp for beginners. Here are the simple steps to use WhatsApp for beginners. First, download WhatsApp. Go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for WhatsApp. Install the app. Tap Install or Get and wait for the download to finish. Open WhatsApp. Tap the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Then hit Allow. Agree to terms and conditions. Tap Agree and Continue to proceed. Enter your phone number. Input your mobile number and tap Next. Confirm by tapping Yes. Verify your number. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter it to verify. Set up your profile. Grant access to contacts, photos, and media for full functionality. Tap Continue. Tap Allow. Add your name and optionally a profile photo. Then tap Next. Start a new chat. Tap the chat icon, bottom right on Android, top right on iPhone, to begin a conversation. Choose a contact. Choose someone from your contact list who uses WhatsApp if prompted. Type and send a message. Tap the text bar at the bottom, then choose from the recipients, then tap Message. Type your message and hit Send. Send media. Tap the paperclip or plus icon on your iPhone to send photos, videos, documents, or your location. Make voice or video calls. Tap the phone or video camera icon in the chat to call that person. Join or create groups. Go to chats. Tap the three dots, then tap New Group to create one, or open an existing group to chat with multiple people. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.